Have you ever wanted to build something amazing, something that not only showcases your creativity, but also solves real-world problems? Imagine the thrill of seeing your ideas come to life on a screen, accessible to people all around the globe. Something you could share with the world? With coding you can. Coding is like having a superpower that allows you to create anything you can dream of. Whether it's a personal blog, an online store, or a portfolio to showcase your talents, the possibilities are endless. Imagine building your own website, a game, or even a cool app. These aren't just projects, they're extensions of your imagination and creativity. Each line of code you write brings you one step closer to turning your vision into reality. That's the power coding gives you, the power to create. It's a skill that opens doors to countless opportunities, whether you're looking to start a new career, enhance your current job, or simply explore a new hobby. In just 10 minutes you can learn the basics and create your very first website. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance and practice you'll be amazed at what you can achieve in such a short amount of time. It's like magic, but even better because you're the magician. You have the power to bring your ideas to life, to create something from nothing, and to share it with the world. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel is unparalleled. We'll walk through each step together, so don't worry if you've never coded before. Everyone starts somewhere, and with the right support and resources, you'll find that coding is not only accessible but also incredibly rewarding. This is your first step into the exciting world of web development, and trust me, it's an adventure you'll love. From the moment you write your first line of code, you'll be hooked. The journey of learning and creating is filled with challenges, but each one is an opportunity to grow and improve. Ready to unleash your inner creator? Let's get started. Together, we'll explore the fundamentals of coding, build amazing projects, and unlock your full potential. The world of web development is waiting for you, and there's no better time to dive in than right now. Coding isn't just about building websites, it's a superpower in today's digital world. Knowing how to code opens doors to amazing opportunities. Want to work for a tech giant like Google or Facebook? Coding is your ticket in. Dream of starting your own company? Coding gives you the skills to build your vision. Plus, learning to code is like learning a new language. It helps you think differently, solve problems creatively, and understand how the technology around you works. So, let's dive in and see what you can achieve. Before we start building, we need the right tools. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. First, we need a code editor, a place to write our code. Think of it like a digital notepad. There are many free code editors available like Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text. Choose the one you like best. Once you've downloaded and installed your code editor, let's create a folder on your computer to keep our website files organized. Now that we have our tools ready, let's move on to the fun part, writing code. Section 4, HTML, Building Blocks of the Web. HTML is the language we use to create the structure and content of our website. It's like the skeleton of our web page. Let's create our first HTML file. Open your code editor and create a new file. Save it as index.html in your website folder. Now type the following code into your index.html file. Section 5, CSS, Adding Style and Flair. Now that we have the basic structure of our website, let's add some style. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the language we use to describe the presentation of our web pages. It allows us to control the layout, colors, fonts, and overall visual aesthetics of our site. By separating the content, HTML, from the design, CSS, we can make our code more maintainable and flexible. CSS is what makes our website look visually appealing. Without it, our web pages would be plain and uninviting. Think of CSS as the paint and decorations on the walls of a house. It brings life and personality to the structure we've built with HTML. Create a new file in your website folder and save it as styles.css. This file will contain all the CSS rules that define how your website should look. By keeping our CSS in a separate file, we can easily manage and update our styles without touching the HTML. This is where we'll write our CSS code. Start by opening your styles.css file in your code editor. Here you can define styles for various HTML elements such as headings, paragraphs, and links. For example, you can change the color of your text, adjust the spacing between elements, and even add background images. Now go back to your index.html file and add the following line inside the tag. This line tells the browser to load the CSS file and apply the styles to the HTML elements on the page. This line tells our HTML file to use the styles defined in our styles.cs file. By linking the CSS file to our HTML, we ensure that any changes we make to the CSS will automatically be reflected on our web pages. Now let's add some basic styling to our website. Start by setting a background color for the body element. You can do this by adding the following CSS rule. Body, background color, #F0, F0, F0. This will give your entire page a light gray background, making it look more polished and professional. See how CSS can transform a plain website into something visually appealing? By experimenting with different styles, you can create a unique and engaging user experience. Don't be afraid to play around with colors, fonts, and layouts to find the perfect look for your site. Remember, the key to great web design is to keep it simple, consistent, and user-friendly. As you continue to develop your CSS skills, you'll learn how to create responsive designs that look great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. This is an essential aspect of modern web development, ensuring that your site is accessible and enjoyable for all users. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to create stunning websites that stand out from the crowd. Section 6. Free resources. Your coding journey starts here. Welcome to the exciting world of coding. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on your skills, this journey is filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Coding is not just about writing lines of code, it's about solving problems, creating something new, and continuously learning. It's a skill that can open doors to numerous career paths and personal projects. So, let's dive in and explore the resources that can help you on this incredible journey. Congratulations! You've just taken your first steps into the world of web development. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of yourself. The world of web development is vast and ever-evolving, offering a plethora of opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt. From building simple websites to creating complex web applications, the possibilities are endless. As you continue on this path, you'll discover new tools, frameworks, and best practices that will enhance your skills and broaden your horizons. But this is just the beginning. The journey of learning to code is a continuous one, filled with challenges and rewards. It's important to stay curious and keep pushing yourself to learn more. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are an essential part of the learning process. Every bug you fix and every problem you solve will make you a better developer. Remember, even the most experienced developers started where you are now. There's so much more to learn and explore. The field of web development is constantly evolving, with new technologies and frameworks emerging all the time. Staying up to date with the latest trends and advancements is crucial. Join online communities, attend webinars, and participate in coding challenges to keep your skills sharp and stay connected with other developers. The more you immerse yourself in the coding community, the more you'll learn and grow. The good news is that there are tons of free resources available online to help you on your coding journey. Websites like FreeCodeCamp, W3 Schools, and Codecademy offer a wealth of information and interactive tutorials that can guide you through the basics and beyond. These platforms are designed to make learning to code accessible and enjoyable, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Take advantage of these resources and start building your coding skills today. And Codecademy offer interactive tutorials, coding challenges, and even certifications. Completing these challenges and earning certifications can be a great way to showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. They demonstrate your commitment to learning and your ability to apply your knowledge in practical situations. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you get from completing a challenging project or earning a certification is incredibly rewarding. These platforms make learning to code accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or experience. Whether you're a student, a professional looking to switch careers, or someone just curious about coding, these resources are designed to help you succeed. They offer a supportive community of learners and mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement along the way. So don't hesitate to reach out and connect with others who share your passion for coding, regardless of your background or experience. Coding is a universal language that anyone can learn. It's a skill that can empower you to create, innovate, and solve problems in ways you never thought possible. So embrace the journey, stay curious, and keep learning. The world of coding is waiting for you, and the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? The best time to start your coding journey is now. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take that first step, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With dedication, practice, and the right resources, you can achieve your coding goals and unlock a world of opportunities. Dive in and start exploring. The world of coding is vast and full of potential. Whether you want to build websites, develop apps, or create software, the skills you learn on this journey will be invaluable. So, grab your laptop, find a comfortable spot, and start coding. The adventure awaits, and the only limit is your imagination. Happy coding. Section 7. Beyond the basics. Keep exploring. As you continue learning, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The best way to learn is by doing. Start building small projects like a personal website or a simple game. Join online coding communities and forums to connect with other learners and get help when you're stuck. There's a whole community of passionate coders out there ready to support you. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.